Hello guys, my name is Abdul Hamid and you are watching Gossipfunda. So, I am going to show you how to fix Clash of Clans server error 503. So, let's start without wasting any time. Method 1, clearing cache memory and clearing data. Step 1, first, open setting. Step 2, go to apps and open manage apps. Step 3, now search Clash of Clans and open it. Step 4. Now clear all the data. I hope this method was useful. If not, then don't worry. Let's go to second method. Second method, fixing net connectivity issue. Step 1. Turn off your data. Step 2. Turn on aeroplane mode. Step 3. Let's turn off aeroplane mode and let's turn on mobile data. I hope this method has worked. If not, then don't worry. We have method 3. Method 3. RAM cleaner. Step 1. Cleaning memory. Step 2. Security scan. Step 3. Boost speed. Step 4. Optimizing. I guess this method would have worked. If no, then don't worry. There is always method 4. So let's start. Method 4. Reinstalling the app. Step 1. Uninstall Clash of Clans APK. Step 2. Now reinstall Clash of Clans from Google Play Store. Step 3. After installing the APK, open it and it should have worked. For more such kind of videos, subscribe Gossipfunda and also do not forget to like, share and comment the video. Thank you for watching Gossipfunda.